Hello guys and welcome back. So for today I will have a quick tip for you, and it's all in regard about how to pull this copper olive out from this pipe. Sometimes we are going to have to take it out. The pipe is going to be too short to do any modifications, or of course you can take it out with some pliers or hacksaw, something like that, but most of the times the space doesn't allow us to do that. So I found this tool that is going to do the job, and it's very easy, and you kind of can fit it in most awkward spaces. So yeah, there are other types of these pullers like that, and in this case I'm just going to use this tool from OX, which is a copper pipe olive puller, and I'm going to show you in just 1 second how does it work. So actually you are just going to put it just like that on your olive. Don't know if you can see it, but it's just there, and you're just going to press, and that's it. And our olive right now, it's cut, and we can use this pipe. Actually we can just cut it and use it. So more or less this is how it's going to work. It's very easy. Let's do it again. I have here some pipes. So I have here these 2 pipes, and I'm going to use the same tool. Just make some pressure. And that's it. Let's see the second one. And that's it. The olive is cut, and now you can reuse the pipe. You can weld on it or whatever. Of course it might be that you need to cut exactly where the pipe was, the copper olive was sitting, because then you might get in trouble if you are going to weld on top of that. But yeah, it's not that expensive, but not even that cheap. This is going to go right around 30 quid. So it is going to go around 30 pounds. You can find other pullers like that for the copper olives, which are going to be a little bit cheaper. You can probably, they will cost right about 10 or 12 pounds. I really like this tool, and what can I say, it's a lifesaver. So this was my tip for today. If you ever get in problem with this type of situation, when you need to cut the copper pipe, don't go crazy with the hacksaw or whatever other tools, because you might damage the pipe even more. Just have in your tool bag one of these, and you will solve the problem without any headaches. Now at this point I think, I hope that my tip is going to help you some way. And of course at this point, don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one. Bye.